What's up, guys? Okay, so yeah, this trade, or attempted trade I should say, was actually from Thursday. I had been watching CERC, and I had gotten in my paper trading account at 83 cents. I thought it was inevitably going to push towards a dollar and at least try to hit a dollar and go over. Um, one of the biggest complaints I have with ThinkorSwim is their lack of fills or their lack of execution speed. And so, yeah, I tried to get in this trade, or tried to get in this stock, and I just didn't get filled. I let it sit for 3 or 4 seconds, but ultimately decided to cancel it once I didn't get filled because I thought it was a little bit over where I wanted it to get in at, and I didn't know how much it would push. So you can see here, yeah, process the trade. I bought the ask, which should have been an instant fill, but for some reason they just decided not to fill me. And what was even more heartbreaking was that right after this stock ran up to over a dollar. I think it hit $1.15 or $1.16. So yeah, pretty heartbreaking. Ultimately I didn't lose money, so I should be grateful for that. But it was still pretty much, a heartbreaking trade for sure. And so yeah, that's like I said, that's one of my biggest complaints with TD Ameritrade is their lack of fills. I like everything else about them, but I think they need to work on that a little bit. I sure I could have reprocessed the trade and gotten back in, but like I said, I think it was a little bit too late. Um, and so yeah, overall, one of the biggest things I've changed from my previous strategy that I was using on SureTrader is that before I'd try to get in right at the break of a dollar or at a 101 or 99 cents and try to ride it up after that breakout. And what would happen was a lot of times it would fail and wash out, and I would lose money. This newest strategy I have is I get in way before that. I get in at say 85 or 90 cents and ride it towards the push, towards the half or whole dollar mark. And if it fails, I'm still up a few cents, so I don't lose money. And if it actually breaks out past that point, I'm up big. So yeah, I just think it's a much safer trading strategy than trying to get in right at the break of a dollar. I think a lot of times when you do that, it's going to wash out, or right at the break of the half dollar, it's going to wash out and fade, and you'll be down a good bit. And so yeah, I wish I would have gotten in a little bit early with this trade. 95 cents was a little bit too late, but it did ultimately break out past a dollar. So like I said, it was pretty heartbreaking for me at the time. Overall, I didn't lose money, so I should be optimistic about it. But I just wish I would have gotten the fill on ThinkorSwim. And that's really the only time this has happened. Every other time I buy the ask, I usually get instant filled. And so I don't know what happened here, but in this case I didn't get filled. But yeah, anyways, guys, just to tell y'all, we do have a free day trading chat room that we're there every morning at least 9:15. There's a few people there to talk stocks and trades with. I include a link to this chat room in every video's description, so make sure to come check it out if you have time. And so yeah, you can see here CERC went all the way up to $1.15. This is a little bit later, a few minutes after my attempted trade. And so yeah, I would have been up 20 cents and my small account, which would have been nice, but oh well, I'll get over it. If you want to keep watching more videos like this, make sure to like and subscribe, and post a comment if you have any suggestions. Thanks.